Now we are going to deal with a topic that involves herd improvement. Now in animal husbandry we are primarily dealing till now with cattle and how can we bring improvement in the herd, and one of the herd improvement methods is MOET. Okay. Now in dairy farm management this MOET is quite beneficiary. What is MOET? It is an abbreviation for multiple ovulation embryo transfer. If the full form can give you an idea what we are going to study. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer is a method that is being utilized by the farmers to improve their herd quality. It involves the basic principle of artificially inseminating the female cattle with superior quality sperms from the male. Again, that has to be the female, a superior male, artificially inseminated cow. Supposedly over here we are talking about a cow is going to give rise to its progeny which would be better for herd improvement. Now this is not where the condition stops. It has some other benefit as well. It has some other implications which are suggested in the name. There is a concept of multiple ovulation. We have studied what artificial insemination is. It is very simple process. The semen from a healthy bull is taken and a healthy cow is inseminated with it, and that gives rise to the progeny, calves or other cows which we require. Now here the cow that we are taking into consideration is given a dosage of a hormone that has FSH like activity. Okay. Now what is FSH? If you remember from human reproduction, it is follicle stimulating hormone. What is follicle stimulating hormone? It is a pituitary hormone which is responsible for bringing about ovulation. Now this follicle stimulating hormone comes and acts on the ovaries of the human beings. Try to recall it, it would be a revision going on hand in hand. Now this hormone which has FSH like activity enables the cow to undergo multiple ovulations. Now when there are multiple ovulations, there are 5 to 8 ovules which are being produced inside the female, the ovules which are ready to be fertilized. So these ovules are being produced inside the female by providing a hormone that has FSH like activity. Very simple. Now this cow is to be artificially inseminated. When this cow will be artificially inseminated, the 5 to 8 ovules which are being produced as a result of multiple ovulation will be fertilized. That's what is taking place. Artificial insemination takes place, 5 to 8 ovules are there. We are getting 5 to 8 embryos inside the cow which is being subjected to MOET. Now one thing is done, multiple ovulation is done, then ovules are being formed, they are fertilized. The remaining part is embryo transfer. So when the embryos that are formed inside the cow, they reach the 8 to 32 cell stage, or I am referring to morula stage. When they reach the morula stage, they are to be extracted from this cow and implanted in the surrogate cow. The surrogate cows would be impregnated using those embryos which would be extracted at 8 to 32 cell stage, and you are going to get 8 cows which are impregnated in one go, 5 to 8 cows impregnated in one go, and you know when the cow is impregnated it is going to deliver a calf and what it is going to result in? It is going to result in production of milk, and this would be beneficiary for the farmer. So in a way, herd improvement is also taking place because the artificially inseminated cow is also superior. The semen that has come from the male is also superior. So we are getting superior progenies, and not just one in one go. We are getting 5 to 8 superior progenies in one go. In a go, you are producing or you are impregnating 5 to 8 surrogate cows. At the same time, the cow which was superior and which had undergone multiple ovulation is ready for another cycle of multiple ovulation. So you get to know how the herd could be improved. We had multiple ovulation. We subjected a cow to FSH like activity hormones which produced 5 to 8 ovules instead of 1. Those ovules were fertilized using artificial insemination method where the semen is taken from a superior bull. That resulted into the formation of 5 to 8 embryos inside that cow only. Now those embryos are to be extracted at 8 to 32 cell stage and implanted in the surrogate cows. So you get 5 to 8 cows impregnated at the same time, while the cow which had undergone multiple ovulation is ready for another cycle of MOET. So this is what MOET is, and this is a very important process that is being utilized all over the world for improving the herd and has an important application in animal husbandry.